Technology innovation, as you know, is accelerating. So how do you keep up? How do you get from here to here? Cloud seems to be the answer. But what about your infrastructure? It's fundamental to your business, but it's also the foundation for change. We get it. Keeping the lights on while rebuilding, that's a challenge. Yet, there is a clear path forward. Let me share with you our new report for a modern, intelligent, ever-ready infrastructure. Inside, you'll discover insights into innovations, real-world applications, and expert guidance. Our three-step approach shows you how to stabilize, optimize, and transform to get from here to here and realize the full value of the Cloud Continuum.